Friends, hello everyone and welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can change the password on your iPhone. Friends, please put your likes, write comments under this video, and be sure to subscribe to our channel. So, let us get started with you. Please open the phone settings on your iPhone and then scroll down a little bit in the menu and select Face ID and Password. Now, you will need to, in order to go to its settings, you will need to enter that password that you currently have on your phone. After you enter it, scroll down a bit and find the Change Password option. Click on it. Again, enter the password again, your old password that you currently have active. And now you can enter your new password. If you click here, you'll be able to choose exactly what that password will be. It can be a 4-digit numeric password. It can be a 6-digit numeric password. It can also be letters, or it can be a code, such as a picture. You can create it too, for example, by choosing a picture, a letter, and so on. Once you've chosen what you want from all of this, then, as you can see, the page changes. I had a 6-digit code and now it has become a 4-digit code. Next, you'll need to enter your new password. And enter it again. And in just a few seconds, you will change your password that way. All you have to do is wait for it to load. And when, as you can see, everything is back on the Face ID password builder, it means that your phone password has been changed. Friends, this is the simple and quick method to change your iPhone passcode. I really hope this video was helpful for you. Write your comments, make sure to put likes and subscribe to this channel. See you soon.